Using process mining to optimize end-to-end business processes seems to make a lot of sense to me, and I'm looking forward to a shared services and outsourcing network summit on this topic. But the question that came to me was, how does process mining apply to enterprise service management? And more specifically, does the USM method benefit process mining? And if so, in what ways? Process mining is a technique used to analyze business processes based on event logs. Basically, you collect and process event logs, filtering, timestamping, etc., analyzing them with algorithms, of course, create a model of the process based on these event logs, which allows you to check for conformance and so on, and identify areas for improvement through visualization and optimization techniques. Process mining is often used for end-to-end, externally customer-facing business processes, but it can be applied to any process, including internal back-office processes, such as HR onboarding, IT support, finance, etc. So process mining can be applied to processes defined by various practice frameworks, such as the IT infrastructure library and others, in order to gain a deeper understanding of an organization's service management practices. It's important to understand that process mining uses a traditional perspective of process, which just sharpens the understanding of the operational model of a business capability. This means it encompasses every layer of the process classification framework. But in practice, process mining primarily focuses on the procedural and operational layers of the process classification framework rather than the conceptual or strategic layers. And this is because process mining relies on event data captured during the execution of processes to analyze how work is actually performed within an organization. Process mining requires event logs containing detailed information about the activities, timestamps, and attributes associated with each process instance. These event logs are typically generated by operational systems such as ERP, CRM, or workflow management systems. And as a result, process mining is well suited for analyzing operational processes that leave a digital footprint. Event logs provide a granular view of process execution, capturing the sequence activities performed by individuals or systems. This level of detail allows process mining algorithms to discover the actual flow of work, including deviations from prescribed procedures or work instructions. So, two things are worth noting about process mining before we apply it to service management. First, by analyzing event data, process mining enables organizations to understand how processes are executed in practice. And second, process mining analyzes objective data captured during process execution rather than relying on subjective assessments or interpretations. And this makes it particularly valuable for uncovering hidden inefficiencies, bottlenecks, or compliance issues that may not be apparent from high-level process descriptions or documentation alone. Value stream analysis or value stream mapping and process mining are both techniques used to analyze and improve business processes, but they have different approaches and strengths. Both value stream mapping and process mining involve analyzing the flow of work through a process to identify inefficiencies, bottlenecks, and opportunities for improvement. Each technique also emphasizes understanding and enhancing the value delivered to customers by eliminating waste and streamlining processes. And both also often use visual representations, such as flowcharts or diagrams, to illustrate the flow of activities and identify areas for improvement. But value stream mapping typically relies on qualitative data gathered through observations, interviews, and workshops with stakeholders. In contrast, process mining uses quantitative data captured in event logs from IT systems, providing an objective and detailed view of process execution. Process mining also provides a granular view of process execution at the level of individual events or transactions, allowing for detailed analysis of process flows, variations, and performance metrics. Value stream mapping, on the other hand, may focus on higher level process steps and value added activities. And finally, process mining is often automated or semi automated, using algorithms to analyze large volumes of event data and uncover insights efficiently. Value stream mapping, while it may involve some tools for visualization, is typically more manual and relies on human interpretation and facilitation. There are two important aspects of the USM method that can dramatically enhance both process mining and value stream mapping analysis for enterprise service management. The first is an unambiguous, universal, and logically repeatable definition of a service, which is crucial for both process mining and value stream mapping in service management. USM's definition of a service as a supported facility achieves this objective. A clear definition of a service ensures consistency in how services are identified, analyzed, and mapped in both process mining and value stream mapping exercises. This consistency enables stakeholders to have a common understanding of what constitutes a service, reducing confusion and discrepancies in the analysis process. With a well-defined service definition, it becomes easier to accurately map the end-to-end processes and value streams associated with each service. Process mining can analyze event logs related to service execution, while value stream mapping can visualize the flow of value through the service delivery process. A consistent service definition ensures that all relevant activities and interactions are included in the analysis. An unambiguous service definition allows for the consistent measurement of key performance indicators related to service delivery and customer satisfaction. Process mining can analyze service performance metrics captured in event logs, while value stream mapping can identify areas for performance improvement within the service delivery process. A universal definition of a service ensures that performance metrics are relevant and comparable across different services. With a clear understanding of what constitutes a service and how it is delivered, organizations can more effectively identify opportunities for process optimization and waste reduction. Process mining can uncover inefficiencies and bottlenecks within service delivery processes, while value stream mapping can visualize opportunities for improvement. An unambiguous service definition ensures that optimization efforts are targeted at activities that directly contribute to service value and customer satisfaction. A universal service definition promotes effective communication and collaboration among stakeholders involved in service management. Process mining and value stream mapping activities can serve as common platforms for stakeholders to discuss and align on service objectives, requirements, and improvement initiatives. A logically repeatable definition of a service ensures that all stakeholders have a clear understanding of their roles and responsibilities in delivering value to customers. So, to summarize, an unambiguous, universal, and logically repeatable definition of a service provides a solid foundation for both process mining and value stream mapping for enterprise service management. It ensures consistency, accuracy, and effectiveness in analyzing and optimizing service delivery processes, ultimately leading to improved service quality, efficiency, and customer satisfaction. The second aspect is the USM method's non-redundant set of 5 processes and 8 standard workflows. With a streamlined set of processes and standard workflows, both value stream mapping and process mining analysis become more straightforward and manageable. There are fewer process variations and complexities to consider, making it easier to identify improvement opportunities and implement changes. The alignment between the 5 core processes and 8 standard workflows provides clarity and consistency in how work is performed across the organization. This alignment facilitates the mapping of value streams in value stream mapping exercises, ensuring that processes are aligned with customer value and organizational goals. Standardized processes and workflows help ensure consistent data capture in event logs for process mining analysis. This consistency improves the quality and reliability of the data used for process mining, leading to more accurate insights into process performance and behavior. With fewer process variations and standardized workflows, it becomes easier to identify root causes of inefficiencies, bottlenecks, and deviations in both value stream mapping and process mining analysis. And this enables organizations to address underlying issues more effectively and drive continuous improvement. A common set of processes and workflows fosters collaboration and communication among different teams and stakeholders involved in service management. This collaborative environment facilitates the sharing of insights and best practices, leading to more effective problem solving and decision making in both value stream mapping and process mining activities. By focusing on a non-redundant set of processes and standard workflows, organizations can prioritize improvement efforts where they can have the greatest impact. And this targeted approach ensures that resources are allocated efficiently and effectively to address areas of highest importance and opportunity. Overall, optimizing service management processes to a non-redundant set of processes and standard workflows provides a solid foundation for both value stream mapping and process mining analysis. It enables organizations to streamline operations, improve process efficiency, and drive continuous improvement initiatives effectively. As usual, here's where you can get more information. I'm available for free consultations at any time via my Calendly link. You're more than welcome to look at other videos on my Rolling Uphill YouTube channel or check out the USM portal or USM Wiki.